Go.
Hi everyone, my name's Lisa Chang and I'm currently a junior at Miramonte High School. I am running for president of the Miramonte Key Club and I would really appreciate it if every one of you would vote for me. I think I'm the only candidate anyway, so yay. Anyway, so there are 3 points I think that I am qualified to being president. The first one is that I am extremely organized and I have a lot of experiences with Key Club International. As most of you guys know, I am the secretary of Miramonte Key Club currently. So being secretary, I have to fill out all these monthly report forms. I have to be really organized. I record all of you guys' service hours and I write out paragraphs every month and send them to the LTG and the Kiwanis advisors and let them know what's going on with our club. So being secretary, it really just I have to organize everything inside Key Club, the Miramonte Key Club, and also have to be up to date with all the district and divisional news that's going on. And therefore, I have lots of extensive knowledge about Key Club. So I believe that that knowledge will transfer to our home club and will benefit us in general. The second point is that I have a lot of other leadership and good traits and qualities that I have acquired outside of Key Club. Currently, I am the historian of the Miramonte Public Speaking Team. I am also the secretary of the Miramonte Christian Club. I'm a link crew leader. I am the assistant principal cellist of the Oakland Youth Orchestra, and I'm also going to attend a leadership camp this summer called Camp Royal, which I was fortunately nominated for. So that camp, I believe, will really teach me a lot of great leadership qualities, and that will really help me towards Key Club. And lastly, and most importantly, I have a passion for service. Now, a lot of people are running for officers because an officer position is because it looks good on college applications. I'm not going to deny that. That is part of the reason why I'm running for it. However, most importantly, I have a passion for service. Besides Key Club, I have taught English and taught lots of other subjects to Taiwanese students and children over the summer at Taiwan, and that really enriched all of my experiences and my experiences volunteering, and I just really like giving back to the community and just really seeing them soak in the information that I'm giving in, all the help I'm giving them. So that's a really great opportunity. And also, I have the most service hours in the Miramonte Key Club, so that's a great achievement. So yeah, I'm the Chang, you can believe it, so please vote for me. Thank you.